Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pastel painting of 3 children playing on the beach. I hope your summer is going well, and if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you up next. I used white transfer paper to get my original sketch that I had done in graphite pencil to kind of lay out the composition of this portrait onto my canvas. I'm using Faber-Castell pastel sticks for some of this. I'm also using some pan pastel with some soft blender tools. The paper is pastel matte. Trying to make it look like the waves are just caressing the shore here. Here's a list of everything I used. I also used Spectrafix at the end to seal my work. And the Carbothello pastel pencils were very handy in doing some of the finer work. Some of the skin tones were a bit of a challenge because I did have black and white reference photos of the children playing, but I knew as long as I get my values correct, the color, I just need to get close. And once I get my values in the right spot, I am looking at all of the things that are around my subject that would be reflecting for color, making sure I'm getting the purples and the yellows and everything that would be reflecting on the children that you would see on a beach. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe and like. Join me on my art journey. It's definitely a journey. I'm going to have lots of other content coming up for you. I'm probably going to be doing some more hand-painted gifts. Maybe even doing some craft shows, so maybe I can actually meet you in person. I'll be announcing those as they come up. Yep, and I just keep layering and layering until I get it where it suits me. And the color is a lot of guesswork, but I'm just trying to stick to skin tones. What's great about pastels is you can work from dark to light. It makes it much easier, but there is a learning curve on the blending part. And there you see my black and white reference photo that I'm working against. This young man is actually in the reference photo holding his little brother's hand, but we switched that up and made it look like he was shoveling. I want to make sure they all look like they're playing together on the beach. I live near Lake Michigan, and I was just out there last week collecting rocks to paint on. So I'll be having some rock tutorials coming up here shortly. Take a break from the portraits. It seems like lately things are just taking me so much longer to get out and published. Life has been busy here as our world opens up during this pandemic. Seems like we went from stagnant to full on. busy. And then the summer always helps. I'm also going to be doing some artwork from my camper as well. I'll be heading out over the weekend. I hope you all enjoy your 4th of July weekend. I hope it's safe, and it's so nice to be able to get out around people again and actually see loved ones and spend some time and just enjoy the festivities and the wonderful country with which we live in. It's troubled, but the backbone, I believe, is still there. I'm so grateful to be an American. And here, as you can see in the shadows, I'm adding some blues and lavenders. Since this little guy, he's still got a little bit of baby skin there, so I'm trying to keep him a little lighter. He's probably not as tan as his brother. And the story with this little guy is that this is how he motated during this age. One foot up, dragging the other leg along. Like a little one-legged crab. I believe he's all grown up now. And I'm constantly just thinking of lights and darks, looking at my reference photo, and just trying to get the colors as close as I can to what I would believe would be the proper skin tones on the beach. Here we are. He's going to be holding on to a little ball. Yep, and here we go. We took out the little brother and we added a shovel. And now just trying to make it look like he's actually shoveling. I hope you all have had time to create. Throw a comment in the section below, and I would love to see pictures of what you are creating this summer. It's been very soggy, rainy here, so we've had rain, 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 rain. That's probably what I need to do, is a rock with a lot of rain on it. A rainy day rock. Supposed to rain for 4 more days, but fortunately drying out for the 4th of July weekend. I hope the weather is good where you are. This little one, this was her favorite red dress. And we wanted to make sure that we got the colors and everything in there, and it had little white flowers all over it. It's hard to see in the black and white photo, but I did get another reference photo in color just so that I could get the correct hues for the dress. She looks so cute. Busy, busy. Playing in the sand. Reminds me of my childhood days. Love playing on the beach. Again, I just keep layering and layering until I get it the way I want it. I was trying to make it look like her hair sort of dried out a little bit. It looks pretty wet in the reference photo. And we decided to give her a blue bucket. As you can see, I'm using the little sponge blenders. Some of them are kind of like a makeup applicator. Those work so well. I did try to use some Q-tips, but the Q-tips, the fuzz off of them were sticking to the pastel lamp. I didn't like that. This little guy, he's going to put a flag right into his sandcastle. This part was really fun. I felt like I was the one building the sandcastle. I just didn't have a bucket and a shovel. I had a pastel stick. There I am blending it all. Such cute little kids. I'm trying to build up some contrast here. Make sure they look like they're out in the sun. If you have any ideas of a project that I could do, or a subject that you would like to see, or a medium that you would like to see me work in, just leave me a comment down below. And I'll see what I can do. I'm always looking for good ideas. Sometimes I have so many ideas I don't know which one to start with. Paralysis by analysis. Well, coming up, you're going to see the finished picture, and that's with the Spectrafix. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe, and there will be more artwork coming up, probably in another couple weeks. Thank you guys. You stay safe, stay well, create what you love, and love what you create. See you on the next video.